Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
As per the version of respondent, the petitioner was posted as head constable at police checkpost Kairawas police station, Ringas, Sadar district, Sikar full stop. While checking vehicles at the above checkpost on 2/2/2010, a vehicle carrying liquor and Doda Post was stopped and lakhs of rupees were demanded by the petitioner for release of this vehicle full stop. The audio clip of this incident stood viral on the social media and thereafter a report was given by the station house officer Ringas Sikar that voice of the petitioner in the said audio clip was recognized and verified by Ramesh Kumar, Sub-Inspector, and Pankaj Kumar, Constable, full stop stanza. After perusing the above report, the matter was taken seriously by the Superintendent of Police, Sikar, and services of the petitioner were terminated while impugned order dated 20/2/2010 by resorting to the provisions of Rule 19 of the Rules of 1958 dispensing with the inquiry full stop. It was observed that conducting a regular inquiry in this case was not reasonably practicable and it was found that it was a fit case to proceed against the petitioner under Rule 19 of the Rules 1958 full stop. At the same time, the other head constable Ram Singh was also found involved in the aforesaid incident dated 2/2/2010, but in his case he was placed under suspension and departmental proceedings were initiated against him by order dated 20 January 2010 full stop. Now this court has to examine that whether in the instant case the respondent was correct in dispensing with the inquiry and he was correct in removing the petitioner in exercise of his power under Rule 19 of the Rules 1958 question mark. Rule 19 of the Rules of 1958 deals with special procedure for removal of a government servant by exempting the inquiry contained under Rule 16, 17 and 18 where the disciplinary authority is satisfied by the recording the reasons in writing that it is not reasonably practicable to follow the procedure prescribed under the said rule full stop. Stanza. The above sub-rule makes it clear that it is incumbent on the authority to record its satisfaction in writing the reason as to why it would not be reasonably practicable to hold such inquiry where the authority is empowered to dismiss a person full stop. The exception slips in where it is impracticable to hold the inquiry and the onus is on the authority to record its satisfaction in writing as to the reason for the impracticability, full stop. The underlying presumption in Rule 19 is that dismissal, removal of a person employed in a state service is not to be taken lightly or done without following due process, full stop. The threshold to prove dispensation of due process and compliance with the principles of natural justice is high in all matters but particularly heightened in Rule 19 of the Rules of 1958, full stop. In essence, the constitutional obligation of recording reasons for departing from the norm must strictly be conformed with, full stop. Invocation of the power without bowing down to the constitutional mandate would render the order of penalty void, full stop.